Welcome to the official Windows 7 channel, and this is a video to actually help you make your computer go faster. So maybe your computer's been used for many months, if not years, got slow, and you're thinking, what do I have to change or what's happening? Well, there are a few things you can do to increase the speed of your computer. First of all, you can actually go into your control panel, just going by clicking the start button and control panel, and if you're in icon view, click the icon for programs and features. If you're in the category view, all you need to do is click uninstall a program. Basically, that's the list of all the programs installed on your computer. Maybe you installed a lot of programs with the years and you're just thinking that lots of the programs you have are unused anymore. So one of the first things you should do is uninstall all the programs you don't need anymore, that you know you'll never use again. So that's the first thing you need to do. And get out all of these little programs there. That's the first thing I think everyone should do. Uninstalling unused programs usually will give you a little boost in speed after you install a lot of all of those. One word of caution here: if you don't know what you're uninstalling, don't uninstall, don't touch. Lots of the features are drivers of your own computer, so there could be a big list of programs there. There could be a lot of stuff you don't know what it is. If you don't know what it is, don't uninstall. I see people trying to clean up your computers and actually uninstalling almost everything, and then they have to call the tech guy because the computer just doesn't work well anymore. So that's don't touch what you don't know. The other thing you can do is actually click the start button at the bottom left, and then you've got that little search program and files on the bottom left where you can write, and you will type msconfig. msconfig. Here I've written msconfig. So ms, I'm a little in the dark, so don't see. And msconfig is the Microsoft configuration utility. So you just press the enter key, and there you'll have the system configuration. The only place where you should actually go and play is in the startup tab. Click startup tab, and there you'll have a list of all the programs that are starting at the same time you're booting up your computer. If this list is very, very long, you will have truly an increase in performance if you remove the little check marks next to them. Now, a word of caution: you don't want to disable everything in this little startup panel there. If you recognize some software that needs to run, for example, you might have an antivirus program. So if you see the name of your antivirus, McAfee, or you see Norton, or you see any other thing that's security related, you will not remove that check mark, because if you do, you're basically deactivating your security software, so you don't want to take it. Basically what I would say is take only a few check marks at a time. Start by removing what you know is not useful. Keep in mind that when you take a check mark off, for example here, I'll give you an idea. I can actually move this here. The first one says Microsoft Office 2010. I don't need for it to start up when I start my computer, so I can actually remove it. And I'm not removing the program when I do that. All I do is remove the startup item. Programs tend to be in the startup tab because they want to have a part of it in memory so that when you need it, it's faster to access. But if you remove the little check mark, it does not deactivate it. If you need, for example, here in Microsoft Office, if I need Word, it's still gonna work when I click its icon. It's just that it might take a little more time because it won't be already in memory. So take out what you know you can take out at first, then go back to that list, and if you are not sure, you can actually just take out one little check mark, restart your computer, see if everything goes well. If it goes well, everything's okay. You can go back there and just take out another check mark. If not, if something's missing, something important doesn't go well, you can actually go back and just put back the check mark of whatever item. Resist the temptation to click the disable all button at the lower right. Resist the temptation of also taking too many check marks at the same time, because if something's not working well and you took out 10 check marks, you actually don't know which one is the problem. So go slowly, and if you have lots, here for example I have only 3 items that start, so my computer is not really, you know, going slow because of that. But if you've got 10s, 20, 30, 40, 50 startup items all checked, you will see that if you take out lots of the little check marks, your computer is gonna boot up faster and actually work faster. And this is a great little tool to actually make your computer go faster after a few months and years of use. So 2 little things you can do. Go into the uninstall program and also the MS config tool here. Take out the check marks. Once it's done, you can just click apply, then OK, and it's going to ask you to restart, so you just click the restart button, and here I won't, but just restart your computer and see what is, if everything's well, and of course there's a good chance that it will be faster. So this is a great little way to speed up your Windows 7 machine, especially after a long time that you've been using it. So if you enjoyed these videos, click the subscribe button at the top of the screen. You'll be informed of all the videos we put online. And if you have any comments or questions, let us know. Maybe you have a video you'd like to see about how to do something. You can ask us and we'll try to do that video and put it online for you. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.